to talk about the personal style. The personal style is when we use the personal pronouns like I and my to talk about our feelings or thoughts or about something that we thought. The standard forms are I think and I believe, and the formal forms for more important issues or for more serious topics are, in my opinion and in my view. These forms that I have said are for text and for letters, but if we are in a spoken language, we need to use the informal forms that are like I suppose, I guess, I reckon, I feel, etc. An example of this could be like, uh, I guess the most famous actor is Johnny Depp. Why? Because I always saw his movies. I use I guess because I'm speaking in an informal form. It's important to know the difference between the personal style and the impersonal style. One is for your feelings, your thoughts about what are you thinking, and the other is something more formal, like if you're talking with a boss or to a teacher or someone with some authority.